Hi everyone. So today we'll learn how to add an export button to your Tableau dashboard. So usually we use an export button to download like a tabular report or a very detailed report which have like lots of records in it. And in that case, for doing like slicing and dicing or for more analysis, it might be a requirement that user want to download it as an Excel or as an PDF or as a PowerPoint in order to uh, you know come to a conclusion based on their analysis, right? So let's see how we can add an export button. Okay, so first step is you need a I will create a detailed report. Okay, so for that I will try to drag as many dimensions and measure in my report. I will take some measures as well. Product ID and product name. Okay. Okay, so my detailed report is ready. Next is go to the dashboard. I will drag this worksheet that I created. Okay, and so you can see this is the detailed report. Now I will start adding the download button, but before that I will just do some formatting over here. I will add a header. Okay, now let's start with adding the button. So here in Tableau you will see an option under objects to add a download button. Okay, so you just click on this download and drag and drop. Okay, by default it will give you an option to download it as a PDF. Okay, so but there are multiple other options as well. So if you go to edit button, right, you can see there are 4 different options to export to. First is crosstab, then image, PDF and PowerPoint. I will go with PDF because for crosstab you need your report to be published on a server, so I will refrain from that and will go with the PDF option itself. Okay, click apply. So this is like a very simple button, but like suppose if I want to add an icon on top of it so that it looks visually appealing, then again go to edit button, select this image button style option. Then if you have any image downloaded to your local or an icon, you can select that. For this video purpose I already downloaded an icon over here. I will select this, and once you do that and click apply, you will see this icon comes up over there. Okay, in the tooltip you can mention anything. Okay, and that's it, your export button is ready. So for actually exporting this we need to go to the presentation mode. So I will go to the presentation mode, and as you can see this is the download icon. If I click on it, it will ask me like how I want to download the PDF as. If I want the entire workbook, so like all the rows, all the records, or an active sheet. Active sheet means whatever you are currently seeing on my screen, only these records. Again, the paper size options are portrait or landscape. So I will select portrait, I will select entire workbook, click OK. Then it will ask me where to save this. And I just clicked OK. Now it is exporting it. Just give it a few seconds. Since I'm downloading the whole data, and I think it's pretty huge, that's why it's taking time. Yeah. So this is my final export, PDF export. You are seeing these map charts and all because I had other dashboards as well in my in my final dashboard. But if you will scroll down over here, then here you can see from here the detailed report starts, and you will see the whole data, the complete data. Okay, so yeah, so that's pretty much it. You can do as much as formatting, you can change the icon image. There are multiple other options as well regarding the formatting, so you can try and explore. And if you have any questions, drop a comment in my video. I will respond back on it. But let me know if you like this video and what other topics you want me to cover in future videos. Thank you.